On the other side, ladies and gentlemen, it's been 3 days ever since 31-year-old resident doctor and aspiring doctor was raped, brutalized and murdered inside the state government-run RG Kar Medical College located in Kolkata. But day after day, the chorus for justice is spreading like wildfire. From Kolkata to Hyderabad to Chandigarh to Delhi to Bengaluru, the doctors are up in arms demanding a fast-track judicial inquiry with exemplary punishment for all the perpetrators. With healthcare services taking a hit, Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister of West Bengal, gave a Sunday deadline to cops to crack the case. Otherwise, she would seek a CBI probe. The BJP has alleged that Mamata is trying to buy time to dilute the case. It claims that the state Sarkar is patronizing the principal of RG Kar Medical College, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, who resigned today amidst protest and was made head of another prestigious medical college within hours. Take a look at the war of words before we jump into the debate.
इसे इमीडिएटली सीबीआई को ट्रांसफर कर देना चाहिए और ममता बनर्जी मुझे लगता है कि देरी कर रही है और ये देरी के वजह से, अगर इससे पहले भी हुआ बहुत सारे ऐसे कोर्ट के वर्डिक्ट के वजह से केसेस सीबीआई को हैंडेड ओवर किए गए और जिसमें प्रूफ ही नहीं रहा मिला पूरी सीबीआई को, क्योंकि पुलिस ने उसके पहले लिपापोती जो करना था वो कर दिया था।
Joining the debate with Gaurav Bhatia is Tausif Ahmed Khan, lawyer, political analyst and supports the Trinamool Congress. And Tausif bhai, my question to you is straight off what the resident doctors are asking, and there are strikes that are going on from every city, from the issue that is, shocked the entire country and its conscience. If a young doctor is not safe in the capital city of West Bengal, in the premises of a government-run hospital, then Tausif bhai, what really is going on and where is the law and order in Bengal?
Indeed, this is a very shocking incident, a very barbarous act, and that is why Mamata Banerjee has called for capital punishment of the accused who was arrested 2 days ago based on the evidence found by the police. Today, Mamata Banerjee met with the victim's family, and the victim family has expressed that there may be other people involved as well, and Mamata Banerjee has asked Kolkata police to probe that angle if there are friends or any other insider or any staff is involved, and has given an ultimatum that within Sunday, if the Kolkata police does not solve the case, and she might consider calling CBI. Student protest is going on and it is totally justified. The resident doctors protest is totally justified. This kind of crime is not accepted, not in Kolkata. Kolkata has been tagged as the safest city in India for 3 consecutive years according to the NCRB data, and therefore this is not acceptable in Kolkata. So their anger is totally justified. There are petitions already filed in Calcutta High Court demanding a CBI inquiry. Resident doctors, protesters are also demanding a judicial inquiry.
Bhai, what is the action that has been taken? The principal resigns and within a few hours goes to a national, not a state government hospital, but another bigger hospital. The fact is that this incident happened while he was in charge of this hospital, the state-run hospital. There's been no action on him. When he resigns, he's placed in the best hospital next door. Is this the action that is being taken by the Mamata Sarkar? The question will be asked, why are you protecting the man under whose watch this incident took place?
No one is protecting. No, it's a misnomer. It's a political narrative only to say that state government is protecting anyone. Nobody is being protected by the state government.
Okay.
Mamta Banerjee has removed the principal, the HOD,
Removed?
the ACP.
He resigned. He's been placed
many
elsewhere.
officials from the hospital has been removed.
Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav Bhatia.
He was scheduled
in the name of action.
to
In the
post
name
him.
of
He was
action.
scheduled for posting 1 month ago. 1 month ago he was scheduled to leave.
1 month ago, he was scheduled to leave, so he just resigned. He's been removed and he's gone somewhere else to another plum posting. But action has been taken.
So, Navika, this
Not only
incident
principal,
has
HOD is
shaken
also
the
removed,
entire
ACP is
country.
also-
And we've seen how doctors and even citizens have now taken to the streets and they're protesting. They're protesting because they're in pain. They're shocked. And they're shocked because today West Bengal has become synonymous to lawlessness. There is no law and order. It is sad that a chief minister who happens to be a woman, she is not even sensitive to the needs of the citizens, especially the women of West Bengal. And in the past also we saw during Sandesh Khali how her administration was shielding the perpetrators of crime like Shahjahan Sheikh, and until the Kolkata High Court passed an order, Shahjahan Sheikh was being protected by Mamta Banerjee. Today, what is the need of the hour? Yes, justice should be ensured for the family members of the deceased. She was serving humanity, she was serving society, and failed government of Mamta Banerjee couldn't protect her. We should hang our heads in shame.
Absolutely.
The need of the hour is that it is your duty, Mamta Banerjee, to ensure the safety, to ensure that such crimes are not repeated. And on that front, Mamta Banerjee has not spoken, which is a very worrisome sign.
Well, doctors across the country have gone on strike. We're hoping and waiting for action to be taken and the guilty to be brought to book. When will that happen? Well, we're waiting for the Bengal government to take action. We'll leave it at that. Thank you very much to my guests for joining me on this debate. On